Hello, everyone, and welcome to episode 21 of Form Guru series by MakeForms. I am Prateek, founder of MakeForms, and today we are going to take a look at repeater group fields. In the last episode, we saw how you can convert any field into a repeater field, but what if you wanted to, correct a data in a way wherein you want group of fields to repeat? Okay, so we are going to quickly take a look at it, and I will begin by just going in and searching for repeater. So you can see that we have repeater group. I will add it. And here what you can do is you can name that entire group. So I would say found details, for example. Okay. And now this entire group can be repeated. So I would say that you can add maximum up to 5 founders. So, okay. So now what we will do is we will add the founder name. I will add founder name. Then I will add email address. Now let's say I want to ask multiple email addresses for this founder. Okay, so now within the repeater group, I can repeat a field. So I will just click this and I will say, okay, you can add up to maximum, let's say 3 email addresses. What I also want to do is that I want to let them upload their social handle. So I will say social handles. Okay, and can also ask them to repeat this. So I will tell them, okay, repeat this, let's say 3 times. You can add, or let's say you can add up to 5 social handles. Okay, so now here what we are doing is, first of all, we are creating a repeater group which has a group of fields. Within that, the fields themselves can be repeated, plus the entire the group of fields can be repeated. So let's quickly take a look at this so you can see this visually. So here you can see that now we have this box. Okay, so here it says founder details. So I will add my name, Prateek at makestories.io. I'll add one more field, Prateek at MakeForms.io. And now I will enter my social handle. So let's say I go in, I put in my Twitter URL, then I put in my LinkedIn slash Prateek. Let's search for it online. LinkedIn. Okay, here it is. Okay, I'll edit this. Now, so this is, you can see this is one founder's detail, and one founder can add multiple email addresses, multiple social handles, and then I can also add more founders. So I add, let's say, Deepak. Would do Deepak at gmail.com, and I would enter, let's say, I'll just enter my LinkedIn for now, and I'll just duplicate it. So now here we can see that first of all, we had the entire group of fields that we were able to repeat. Within that group of field, we are able to repeat the fields also. So this is how you can use make forms for such complicated scenarios. Believe me, something like this is not possible with any of these like form builders. So here now you can see that we have two founders. These two fields we did not enter, so we don't have that. So here it says that, okay, this is the founder one Prateek. Founder one Prateek has added 2 email addresses and 2 social handles, and Deepak had 1 email address and 2 social handles. So this is how you can literally repeat first the fields themselves, and then the group of fields can also be repeated. So this is the power of make forms. So again, I would say please like, share, subscribe. Let your friends, let your colleagues know that this is the most powerful form builder out there in the market. And again, I keep on saying in my every episode, and I'm going to say it today. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of form are you looking. Maybe there is something that you might feel that, oh, this cannot be done in any form builder, but with make forms is it possible? So please let me know in the comments below what kind of forms are you looking to create, and I will see that in the coming episodes I help you with your requirements. So that's it, guys. Pratik here from Make Forms. Take care. Bye bye.